definitely. Right now, I believe we are a little bit ahead of schedule on our demolition, so things have been going very well.
It's going to be a hybrid coaster. Can you tell us what is a hybrid coaster?
A hybrid coaster is a steel track on a wooden structure, so probably the best feature is we're able to go steeper and of course faster.
So it's the best of both worlds, actually.
Exactly. We don't have to tear the whole thing down, but just some of it.
Is it possible to go upside down with this roller coaster, a hybrid coaster?
Absolutely.
Are we going to?
We will be going upside down.
Now you told us you can go a lot faster with a hybrid coaster. How fast is Untamed going to run?
92 kilometers per hour.
Wow. So now we know the speed. Do you know the length of the track?
The length of the track will be 1,085 feet.
What's your main focus at this moment?
At this moment, we're currently bringing the track from the station to the lift, which is called a pre-lift, and it's a 45-degree outside banking corner, so
It's gonna be awesome, right?
very interesting. We're excited. And it's a 45-degree outside banking corner, so
It's gonna be awesome, right?
very interesting. We're excited.